So let's talk about this vessel, and maybe if required, if I need to add some concept, I'm going to add that concept also. So a ship
Okay.
arrives a port drawing 9-meter even keel draft. All right. So let's draw the figure. Suppose this is the vessel and initial draft forward and aft 9-meter. She has to load 600 ton of cargo. The space is available 6-meter forward and 40-meter aft of center of flotation. So suppose this is the center of flotation. We are having the space which is 60-meter forward. So this space is 60-meter. And another one 40-meter aft. This is 40-meter aft. By the way, COF, which is midship. So COF, center of flotation, is midship. All right. Now MCTC 250 ton, TPC 20. Find how to distribute this 600 ton of cargo if the ship is to finish loading 0.5 meter by the stern, and calculate the final draft. Yeah, good question. Very good question. I like this kind of way, because here you may think that, sir, length to hai nahi.
Yes, sir.
There's no length. Honestly, you need to have length, but in this case, since it is at midship, there is no need of length. All right. So let's talk about initial trim. What should be the initial trim?
0.
0.
Hmm.
Okay, keep responding.
Okay.
And what is the final trim?
So final trim will be,
You have to load in such a way so that you achieve some final trim.
yes.
0.5 meter
Yes, sir. 0.5 meter.
by stern. Always you need to write whether it's by stern or by head.
Forward. Yeah.
So from 0 meter, your trim has been caused to 0.5 meter by stern. Can you tell me what is the trim caused?
Okay.
Trim cost. That is 0.5 meter, right?
Yes, sir. By stern.
Can I write TC in centimeter? Trim cost in centimeter is how much?
Sir, 50 centimeter.
50. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now, you have something like this. What is the relationship between trim cause and trim moment? Trim cause is nothing but trimming moment upon
On MCTC.
MCTC, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you find what is this? Trimming moment. This is TM is trimming moment.
Yes, sir. Trim moment.
TM is
Trimming moment.
trimming moment. I think there is no need to write. Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. TM is trimming moment. So trim cause in centimeter is nothing but trimming moment divided by MCTC.
MCTC.
So can you find what is the trimming moment? Trimming moment will be trim cause in centimeter into
MCTC. Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir. Makes sense.
So trim cause is 50. And how much is the MCTC?
250.
MCTC is
250. 250 ton.
250. Correct.
12,500.
00 trimming moment, turn meter, right? Your
Yes,
meter, turn meter. And what should be the direction?
sir. Stern.
Biased. Correct. Now, suppose how much cargo you have to load? 600 ton.
600 tons.
Suppose you load here some X ton. So
Okay.
here you are going to load 600 minus X.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
I think I will write here only so that with this blue color. Let's put it this way. Remark. Distance from center of
Center
flotation,
interpretation.
right? Sorry.
Yes,
I don't know why I'm getting confused. Remark, this is weight, distance from center of flotation and trimming moment.
trimming moment.
ऐसे टेबल बना.
Okay.
So remark किधर डालना? पहले नंबर 1 स्पेस. हाँ जी, ये
Yes, sir.
नंबर 1 ले लो ना इस पे. इसको नंबर
Okay.
2 कर लो. फॉरवर्ड वाला नंबर 1.
Okay.
इस पे
ठीक है.
कितना वेट था? X.
X.
और इसकी डिस्टेंस कितनी है?
60.
60. लाइफ इज इजी. अगर ये
Yes, sir.
सेंटर अगर मिडशिप अलग होता, एचएफ दिया होता तो उस हिसाब से फिर एक कॉलम और बनाना पड़ता.
हाँ सर, सही है.
आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now it is at COF is a midship, no problem, because all these measurements you need to take from center of rotation.
Rotation.
Suppose some HF value was given, then accordingly you need to add that HF.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the trimming moment? भाई आप
Sir,
आगे लोड कर रहे हो, this is forward,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
फॉरवर्ड में लोड कर दिया आपने x टन और इसकी डिस्टेंस है 60, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 60x.
60x.
And by head
Yes, sir. By head.
direction.
Yes, sir.
Now number 2 space. Number 2 space में कितना है? 600 minus x.
X. Yes, sir. 600x.
डिस्टेंस है 40.
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करने पर कितना हो जाएगा?
2400. 24,000.
24,000 minus
40x. By stern.
by stern. नेट रिजल्ट कितना आना चाहिए? स्टर्न होना चाहिए कि हेड होना चाहिए?
Sir. Head over, sir.
क्यों हेड क्यों होगा? फाइनल आंसर तो तुम्हारा स्टर्न है ना.
अच्छा, हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है.
तो फाइनल ट्रिमिंग मोमेंट हियर
Okay.
स्टर्न बाय स्टर्न है, तो स्टर्न ज्यादा होना चाहिए.
Yes, yes, sir. तो ये
24,000 minus 48
40x minus 60x.
minus 60x.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
That should be equal to this.
Yes, sir. हाँ. Easy.
कर लो.
तो ये हो जाएगा
24,000 minus 100x is equal to 12500. Okay. अब तुमको ट्रेडिशनल वे में करना है कि इधर इतना जोड़ो घटाओ.
115.
अब तो देसी तरीके से करते हैं. 100x is equal to 24,000
Yes,
minus 12500. Okay.
Yes.
So 100x is equal to
11500.
my calci is the function of tan is got wagada. 2400 minus 12500. 11,500.
500.
Lovely.
X
That
is
means the x should be how much?
115 tons.
115. That is number 1 space or the forward.
Yes, sir.
Right? And 600 minus x is how much?
Sir, 485.
415. No,
485.
485. Sorry. 485. That is at number 2 space,
Yes,
which
sir.
you have named at
Ah.
top. That's it.
Yes, sir.
But the question doesn't stop here. He says state also the
Final drafts.
final drafts, forward and aft. Okay. So let's work this way. Initial drafts. This is forward, this is aft. And it is better to write these drafts, I think a little bit this side. This is forward, This is aft, and the forward draft is given 9 meter. And aft is also 9 meter.
9 meters. Yes.
Okay. By the way, in meter, this is in meter. Let me just write it specifically. So the first thing is the body sinkage. TPC is given. So whatever we need to write, we will calculate here.
Okay.
So body sinkage is W upon TPC.
TPC. Yes.
That is 600 divided by
220.
20. How much you get?
Sir, 30.
30 centimeter. Always
30
write the
centimeter.
unit.
Yes, sir.
Convert in meter.
0.3.
0.3 meter. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So right here, body sinkage.
Yes. Forward.
0.3,
3.
0.3. Right in.
सर आर्ट का चेंज सर आर्ट का चेंज नहीं होगा
Okay, body
rate?
sinkage, so the forward and aft draft both will increase, Baba. Plus,
Okay.
plus. That is the
Okay.
principle.
Okay.
Imagine what I'm saying. This load you distributed here and there, forward and aft. Suppose you
Okay.
loaded
Yeah,
this
then
weight here,
yes.
what will happen? The COF will go down.
Equally. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why we are saying the body sinkage. So body sinkage is going to affect both the draft forward and aft equally.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Now, the next part, you have trim cost. Trim cost is how much?
So we calculate
0.5 meter. You have
yes, sir,
50
0.5.
centimeter. Okay, 0.5 meter. Let's keep it this way. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the change in draft aft and forward? TA. TA is actually LCF
Trim into trim.
upon LBP into trim.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Not trim नहीं बोलते, TC बोलते, trim cost. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These are the formulas. But you know the relationship between LCF and LBP. What is that? That is midship. So if this is the length L, the center of flotation here is at L by 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but TC by 2. TA.
Yes, sir.
And TF is also, forward is also TC by 2. दोनों आधा आधा हो जाएगा. Midship है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आगे का draft. And this is by stern. By stern means the aft draft will increase and the forward draft will decrease.
Decrease.
So change in the draft TA and TF. So this is the forward draft. Forward draft will decrease minus 0.250.
25. Yes, sir.
And aft draft
Plus
plus 0.250.
0.250.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's find the final draft. Figure it out. 9 plus 0.3 minus 0.25.
9.05.
9.050. 0.
Yes.
This हो जाएगा 9.550.
55.
This is meter, this is meter.
Yes.
Okay, let's do one thing, cross check. If this is the final draft, what is the final trim?
Sir, forward 8 minutes forward करेंगे.
बताइए.
Sir, 0.5. 9.55 minus
0.5
0.5 है sir.
by stern.
Yes, sir, by stern.
Initial trim कितना है?
Even
0.
keel. Yes, sir. 0.
तो trim cost कितना हो जाएगा?
0.5 by stern.
By stern, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what we know it from here.
Yes, sir.
So your question is correct. You know, now let's understand the basic. Suppose your ship is box shape vessel. Okay.
Okay.
And this box shaped vessel is trimming against some line like this. So first of all, this box shaped vessel will be having the center of flotation exactly at mid length. Okay.
Okay.
And if it is having at mid length, this draft TA, this is the change in the aft draft, and this is the change in forward draft. So the forward draft, now this is the final,
Yes, sir.
and this is aft draft. This is final. The change one, this is change. This is change one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The problem starts when the COF is not at midship. Okay. Suppose COF is somewhere here.
Okay.
Then what we have to do? We have to take the same formula. TA is LCF. You need to take this distance. So you have to
Okay.
take this triangle.
Okay.
LCF.
Upon
This is
LB.
LCF upon LBP. You have to take the full triangle and the trim
Into trim.
cost. Are you able to follow?
Yes,
Or
sir.
do
What
you still
this
need some
LCF is?
derivation with this?
No, sir. It's
It's okay. And what is the trim aft? Sorry, trim forward. Trim forward is nothing but trims total trim
cos
cost
minus
minus
trim
T.
aft.
There is another way also of doing the trim forward. Instead of LCF, you take the distance from forward. You take the distance from here. I really don't know what you want to call forward center of flotation divided by LBP into
Yes, sir. Into
TC.
a TC.
Either you take this distance,
Uh,
this is from forward perpendicular, but usually everything is given from the aft perpendiculars. That's why we are using the term LCF. Right. So here a vessel is floating at draft forward and aft so and so. She is completing loading at draft so and so. Space is available number 5 and number 2 if the MCTC, TPC, LCF determine quantity of cargo is still to load, distribution of cargo to be loaded. Okay, fair enough. We'll start with this initial trim. What is the initial trim?
Sir, 12.26 minus.
Initial trim is 12.26.
Minus 11. So 1.08.
26 minus 11.48, 0.78, right? And that
Yes,
is
sir.
by stern. Initial trim. अच्छा लोडिंग वगैरह कंप्लीट कर लिया इसने, तब इसका फाइनल ट्रिम कितना हो जाएगा?
Final trim is 12.1 minus 0.2. 0.2 by stern.
Hmm. 0.2 meter by
Stern.
she's to complete loading at 11.9 and 12.1. So 0.2 meter by stern. Okay. So what is the trim cost?
Trim cost is 0.78 minus 0.2. 0.58
0.58
by head.
by head.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir. Makes sense.
In centimeter?
58 centimeter.
50 centimeter by head.
Head, yes, sir.
What is going to be your change in the forward draft and aft draft? TA?
And T-
TA will be LCF upon LBP into trim cost, right?
Yes, sir.
LCF is given 64. LBP is also given 140 into 58.
Hmm.
How much?
$26.51.
Yeah, everything is in centimeter.
Yes, sir.
26.51
51.
centimeter, right? So trim forward minus 58,
Yes, sir. Minus 58.
31 point,
31.48.
31.48 या 49
49, sir. 49.
49 लेना पड़ेगा, अभी तो दोनों का सम जो है 58 आएगा
Yes, sir.
सेंटीमीटर. Clear? What I will do now, we'll come back to the question same. This is the forward draft. This is aft draft. Okay.
Okay.
And in the forward draft, what is happening? Let's write the initial draft. Initial drafts. Okay. This is 11.900. No.
11.48.
11.480. This is 12.260.
12.260.
Yes, everything is in meter. By the way, don't confuse because the units will be playing with the unit.
Okay.
Final answer कैसे निकालें? You are loading something, so there is going to be body sinkage,
Yes, sir. What is it?
and that body sinkage is how much? That's what we need to calculate. W
sir.
upon TPC,
Yes, sir.
and that is in centimeter, by the way.
Okay.
Okay, so don't get confused. That is in centimeter. W upon TPC in centimeter. That's why I keep insisting on the unit. बॉडी सिंकेज का क्या मतलब है? ये प्लस रहेगा, ये प्लस
Yes,
रहेगा.
sir. Yes, sir. Plus रहेगा.
उसके बाद चेंज इन द ड्राफ्ट TA एंड TF.
Sir.
फॉरवर्ड ड्राफ्ट कितना हो गया?
49.
31.49 सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर ही लिखो. और यहाँ पे आफ्ट कितना हो जाएगा?
26.51.
26.51. मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, this TC is by head.
Yes, sir.
हेड का मतलब क्या हो गया? फॉरवर्ड ड्राफ्ट विल बी प्लस
Yes, sir.
एंड आफ्ट ड्राफ्ट विल बी
Subtracted.
सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो फाइनल ड्राफ्ट कितनी आ जाए? फाइनल ड्राफ्ट कितनी है?
So final draft आएगी
11.900 मीटर, राइट?
Yes, sir. दिया हुआ है 11.9 और 12.1.
और ये जो भी है 12.100 मीटर. ये फाइनल आंसर पे आ रहा हूं. अब
Yes, sir.
आप गौर से देखो, इस सारे
TPC
सिचुएशन में क्या आप W नहीं निकाल सकते?
निकाल सकते हैं सर.
कैसे निकालेंगे?
सर TPC दिया हुआ है और
देखो, एक काम करो, ऐसे लिख लो ना पूरा 11.48 मीटर
Yes, sir.
प्लस W अपॉन TPC सेंटीमीटर
Yes, sir.
प्लस 31.49 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 11.9 मीटर.
तो पूरे को सेंटीमीटर कर लेते हैं, इजी हो जाएगा.
तो जरूरत नहीं, हाँ हो जाएगा, करना ही पड़ेगा. तो W अपॉन TPC प्लस 31.49 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू, अब ये मीटर वाला ले जाओ, इधर लेके आए मीटर वाला, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 11.9 माइनस 4. 0.48
सर 10.5 बना रहा है।
11.9 माइनस 11.48 कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 0.42
यस सर 0.42
और 42
माइन
सेंटीमीटर।
यस माइनस 31.49।
देखो अब सारी चीज सेंटीमीटर पे आ गए ना सब, एवरीथिंग
यस
इज इन सेंटीमीटर। ओके, तो W अपॉन TPC कितना है?
सर 32
32 इज इक्वल टू 42 माइनस 31.49।
10 इक्वल टू 10.51 टू 32 336 आ रहा है सर W।
Right?
यस सर।
For rounding off, you can write like this: 336.3 ton.
यस सर।
The next question is distribution of the cargo. तो भाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में क्या तकलीफ है? ये लाइन खींचो एक। Ready? I need to write a proper line. Just draw this line. This is aft. This is bow, forward.
Okay.
And where is the LCF? LCF is 64.
Yes.
LBP कितना है? L कितना है? 140, तो LBP कितना आ जाएगा? LBP by 2, 70.
Yes sir.
This is 70, right? Because total length is 140
Yes.
and LCF is 64.
64.
That means LCF is here.
Yes.
How much? 64. This LCF is 64 meter. तो इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है?
So 70 में 64 हो जाएगा ना सर? 6 मीटर 6 मीटर
6 meter.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
And how much cargo is there? Where is the space available? Number 2 cargo hold.
100 मीटर.
Number 2 cargo hold. And where is that? Number 5
Wow.
cargo hold.
Yes.
Number 5 cargo hold here. इसकी डिस्टेंस कितनी है नंबर 5 कार्गो होल्ड की? 30 मीटर.
30 मीटर.
यहाँ पे है. ओके. और ये कहाँ पे लोड हो रहा है? 100 मीटर. इसकी डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से 100 मीटर. सेंटर फ्लोटेशन से कितनी होगी? निकाल सकते हो यार इजीली.
यस सर.
निकालो. नंबर 5 कार्गो होल्ड. नंबर 5 कार्गो होल्ड ये 30 है.
30 70 माइनस 6 माइनस
मिडशिप से कितनी हो जाएगी? मिडशिप से नंबर 5 की हो जाएगी ये वाली, ये डिस्टेंस ना.
यस सर. एच से लेके यहाँ तक का तो सर पर ये बीच
डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एच कितनी हो जाएगी नंबर 5 कार्गो होल्ड की? यहाँ से
70 माइनस 30 40 हो जाएगा.
40. एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सेंटर फ्लोटेशन 6 कम कर दे.
यस सर. 34.
34 मीटर हो गया.
यस.
ऐसे नंबर 2 कार्गो होल्ड पे आ जाओ. नंबर 2 कार्गो होल्ड की डिस्टेंस है टोटल 100.
यस सर.
तो मिडशिप से कितनी हो जाएगी?
टोटल 100 है मिडशिप से सर.
मिडशिप 70 है ना.
हाँ सर, तो 100 माइनस 70 30 हो गया।
हाँ, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 30
30 30
30 ओके। और सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन से कितनी हो जाएगी
36।
36। हमारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया।
यस सर।
You have the distances, and what you have to do, you have to just make the table. Remark, weight, distance from center of rotation, and trimming moment.
Okay.
So remark say number 2 cargo hold, number 2 cargo hold, weight कितना ले रहे हो? Suppose x ले लिया, नंबर 2 cargo hold का distance कितना है 36 forward. So trimming moment हो जाएगा 36x
36x।
head.
Yes sir, head।
Similarly,
Number
let's
5।
take number 5 cargo hold, and now the weight will be how much we have already calculated
We have already calculated sir, x और वो तो वही क्या था।
336.3 minus x, right?
Yes sir।
And its distance is how much? Number 5 ki 34.
Yes।
So now 34 multiplied by 336.3 minus x, and it will be by stern.
Yes sir, बस sir।
Final trimming moment किस level पे आना चाहिए? Final trimming moment
by head।
is by head.
Yes sir।
So final trimming moment is by head. So that means 36x minus 34 into 336.3 minus x.
Yes sir।
तभी तो head होगा,
Yes sir। Yes sir।
right? Equate it with the trimming moment which you need to calculate. TC is there.
58।
So TC is 58. So trimming moment will be MCTC into TC. MCTC is given. MCTC है कहीं तो दे रखा होगा।
Yes sir, there।
120 into 58, that is by head. Equate both, find the value of x. Similar to the same question.
Yes।